Hey folks, welcome to the second video in the Google AppSheet tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a vehicle inspection app using Google AppSheet. So let's get started. So this app can be used by users to place a service order for their respective cars. Additionally, we're going to be using some data filtering for the users. For example, the user will only see the service request that he or she has added in the app, while the manager of the store or the service center can see all the requests that come into the app. So as we discussed previously, we need a Google Sheet to create the app. So this is the Google Sheet that I'll be using for this video. It has enter your email address followed by the name of the vehicle, maybe your Mercedes, you have a BMW, then you have the model, maybe you have a Mercedes CLA 200, so that's the model, the year of the car, the year in which you bought the car, and the color of the car, and the service that you want to send the car for. Select a date, so that's the date at which you want to send your car over for servicing. Then you need to give a time and notes, maybe some specific, or don't use this kind of soap, or don't use this petrol, or special, you need special gas for the car. So this is the section where you can put in your extra notes. So we're just going to go ahead and create the app. So there are two ways, as we are discussed in the previous video also. First is by going to appsheet.com, which will take you to something like this. Here my apps will show you, and then you just need to go click on make a new app and select your own data, or you can go back to your Google Sheet, go to extensions, go to AppSheet and create an app. But I like this way better, so I'm just going to go click on start with your own data. I'm going to name this as vehicle inspection app. Choose a category. It's gonna be, say, maybe logistics. Just let's select that. Then we'll go to choose your data. I have vehicle inspection app here, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on select. And in a few seconds, the app will get set up. And here you can see the app has successfully loaded, and we have created our first app. So here we can see we have the inspections, that the sheet that we have added. So this is where all the inspections are going to be listed, or the service requests that the user will send will be listed out here. And you can just click on the plus sign and add the service that you want to get done. And now we'll be looking at the second sheet that we have here. There's going to be services. This is all the services that we or the service center provides. So I'm just going to go here, go to data and add the new table. You can either go select this, or you can either go sheets and then select it, or just go and click on add the table. Then you have this vehicle inspection app. That's going to be the main Google Sheet, and the worksheet, that's going to be the individual sheet that is there in the main spreadsheet. Services, and then do you want it updates, ads, delete, read only, what is the status, or how do you want the sheet to be? I want it to update and stuff like that. I'm just going to go ahead and click on add this table, and here you can see the services sheet has successfully been added. We'll go to the UX, go to services, and then you can maybe change it how you want to. You want it in a form of a table or deck or something like that. Table, gallery. You can select your specific view that you want. I will be just going ahead and doing it in the form of a table. It looks more organized. And if you want, you can add another column in description, and that shows you what each of the services do. And you are always free to add the extra services that you want. I'll be leaving the sheet link in the description if you want to work with it. And now we're going to just go ahead, go to our inspection section here, and you're going to click on add. Right, so we put the email address. We're going to be using the formulas that we used in the previous video. That's going to be the current user email. If you haven't watched that video, I'll be leaving the link in the description. You can check that out. Then the name of the vehicle will be added by the user. Model of the car, the year has to be added by the user. The color of the car, and then select the service. So in the select the service, I don't want the user to go back here, look at the services that he wants, go back to inspections and add it. I want him to have a drop down experience of the services. So we're going to do that. We're going to go to our data, we're going to go to columns, go to inspections, and we're going to go down to select the service. I'm going to edit this. Here I'm going to be doing ref for this. It's going to take in reference. I'm going to do services here, and I think we're done. We'll just go ahead, click on done here. I'm going to click on save. And now if I go to add a new service, if I go down here, I can see I can select oil change, or I can select suspensions and stuff like that, right? So clear this out. The next thing that we're going to be doing is we need to add the current email address of the user, right? So we're just going to go to the inspections here. We're going to go to email address and we need to add a formula. So we're going to go to others. We're going to scroll down here. I'm going to scroll down here and go to user email here. I'm going to drag this and put it out here, and it will just tell you that the formula is correct. You can see it's verified. The formula is correct. Let's just go ahead and click on save. And then we're going to just go ahead and click save. So here you can see now that we have added the formula to the enter your email address question. So here you can see the email address has successfully come in. That's going to be test9968@gmail.com. The name of the vehicle, I'm going to say it's a Mercedes Benz. I'm going to say CLA 200 is the model. I bought the car on the 1st of July 2021. The color of the car is going to be white. Select a service. I want to do a regular servicing. Select the date. I want it on, say, 7th 01 2020. I want it on the 7th of Jan. Select a time. I want it in the morning at around 10:30, right? And the notes, don't use regular paint or maybe some regular soap on the car. Let's go ahead, click on save. We'll refresh the app. And here you can see that the first inspection or the first service request has successfully been added. So this is all for this video. I hope you understood how to create a basic vehicle inspection app. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to filter data for the user so that the user can only see his or hers service request, that's the vehicle inspection request, and the manager of the app can see all the service requests that are put in. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and for more content, hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.